Hello everybody, today I'll be unboxing this parcel. It's just a surprise from a family member. Come with me as I unbox this parcel. Let's see what's in there. Let's see what's in there. I really wonder what it is. Let's see. We do this sellotape. It's easy to do the sellotape. So let's see. Wow. Oh, it's a big surprise. Wow, look at this. It says, oh, let me just take it out. And let me try to take it out. I need to do this. Oh, it's a Ninja food processor, and it says here AutoiQ programs. Wow, that's amazing. So Ninja food processor, AutoiQ programs. So we'll see what these programs are all about. Let me just open it and then we reveal this Ninja food processor. Let's reveal it. See, I can use this knife. Yeah, it is opening easily, no problem at all. Let's reveal this Ninja food processor. Wow, let's see this tape throughout, and wow, look at, wow, let's open this thing here. What's in here, I wonder? It says warning to avoid danger of suffocation. So there's something in here. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's open already here. Oh, this is the instructions. Amazing. And there's some recipes already here for this Ninja food processor. So this is a booklet for instruction. And wow, look at this. That's the Ninja food processor we are having today. Really amazing. So now let's see the real beast, the real thing. Okay. Wow. We have some blades here. This should be a blade for the processor. Let me put it here so that you see it. And we have this thing here. I think it's part of the blade. This is just a wrapper. And now there's something in here. It says this is like a disc. Let's open it and see. This is a disc. It's a wrapper here. This is the disc here. It's part of the Ninja. Oh, look at that. It says reversible disc, this side up for slicing. So you place it like this side up for slicing. So we have a disc, a blade, and another part of the blade. Now we are going to see now. Out it goes. Oh, it is in two parts. Amazing. It's in two parts. We put this aside and see this one. I think this should be the cylinder, you know. This should be the cylinder of the Ninja. Should be the cylinder. It's opening here. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Wow, look at the Ninja. This is the large cylinder here. I think Yeah, it goes like that according to the picture, to the photo. So that's the cylinder. Place it gently there. This is just the protective wrapper and protective. Now we go to the base. Obviously, this should be the base of the Ninja. Lift it gently. That's where the plug is. Wow! Out it comes. The base. It's quite heavy, you know. It's quite heavy. Let's see if it's a large base of the food processor. Ah, look at that. So let's put this one aside, and then we bring this one here. It's already sticking to the table. That's what the ninjas do. They stick to the table, you know, for safety. So this was just a wrapper for the Ninja. And everything is out now. It's only, what's in the, I just want to double check. Oh, only the wrapper. So everything is out for our Ninja food processor. Let me just read before I assemble it. Look, here's the photo of the food processor. So it is a 2.1 liter food processor bowl. So the bowl is 2.1 liters. What does it say? It says chop, slice, grate, puree, and mix everything from frozen desserts to those in this generously sized 2.1 liter food processor. Wow. So it does all those things. And here again, there are more instructions. It is saying from salads to burgers to doughs to desserts. It chops and mixes. Easy to use. Simple controls and automatic. Wow. So the program for this is automatic. Automatic programs are designed to deliver the perfect result exactly as you like it. Wow. In this picture, amazing. Cucumbers. There's some pudding like here. Oh, salads there. Wow, amazing. So this is our AutoiQ. Imagine, it's an AutoiQ. So this automatic food processor has an IQ. Who can imagine that? So let's read about this AutoiQ. So Ninja AutoiQ. One touch intelligence. Wow. 4 intelligent preparation programs. So it has 4 intelligent preparations. Chop here, puree, slice, and mix. If you want, you can put it on low, on high, or on pulse. You know, just like shaking, pulse, just like shaking. So this is the switch, the on button. That's why it's called an AutoiQ with 4 programs which have been preset for us. So all I do is just to press the start button and choose what I want to do. If I want to chop, I just press this one. If I want to puree, I press this one. For example, you can puree a banana. If I want to slice, I press this button. Wow, this is amazing. It's a huge machine, which is really, really, you know, handy for the kitchen. Oh, I love this Ninja food processor. And the volume is quite, you know, an amount, 2.1 liters. That's amazing. So let me see how I can assemble this.